A few months ago, a Volkswagen owner walked into a repair shop with a simple question. "It's just a warning light," he said. "It's probably nothing, right?" The mechanic plugged in the scanner, looked at the screen, then looked back at him and said, "If you can still sell this car, do it." And this wasn't some old, neglected vehicle. It was a Volkswagen that looked modern, well-maintained, and cost over $35,000. That's the problem. Some Volkswagens look like smart, safe buys today, but quietly turn into expensive mistakes a few years down the road. Today, we're revealing 7 Volkswagens that mechanics would never buy for themselves, even though they're advertised everywhere and sold as reliable. We've spoken to mechanics, long-term owners, and independent workshops, and the answer is always the same. That one? No, never. These are cars that come into workshops every single week with the same recurring faults, the same warning lights, and the same painful repair bills. Stay until the end, because one car on this list can cost over $8,000 a year in routine repairs, and another has a flaw so serious that even Volkswagen hasn't fully solved it. But not every Volkswagen is a bad idea. After the warnings, we'll also show you 5 Volkswagens that are actually worth buying in 2026, and one of them could save you thousands over the life of the car. This is Das Auto Diaries. We don't follow badges or hype. We follow real ownership, real reliability, and long-term value. Let's start with the Volkswagens you should avoid. Cars that look smart on paper, but can turn ownership into a long-term headache. Volkswagen ID.4, 2023 to 2024 builds. On paper, the Volkswagen ID.4 looks like the future done right, with modern design, electric power, and the reassurance that comes from a well-known brand with decades of history. It promises quiet driving, low running costs, and a smooth transition into electric mobility. But in real ownership, especially with 2023 and 2024 builds, the story changes quickly. These early ID.4s have been hit by frequent recalls, including a serious do not drive warning related to potential fire risks, something no owner ever wants to hear. Beyond safety concerns, many drivers report software instability that affects infotainment, navigation, and driving assistance systems, turning everyday use into a frustrating and unpredictable experience. Updates often feel slow, inconsistent, or incomplete, leaving owners waiting for fixes that should have been there from the start. Real-world electric range often falls short of what's promised, especially in colder climates or during sustained highway driving, making the car feel unfinished in daily use. This isn't one big failure, but a constant erosion of confidence built from updates, warnings, and repeated dealership visits. For a vehicle meant to simplify driving and ownership, the ID.4 often ends up doing the exact opposite. Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport, 2020 to 2024. The Volkswagen Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport project the image of the perfect family SUV. Big, spacious, comfortable, and packed with features designed to make everyday life easier. On paper, they look like ideal long-term companions, especially for families who need space, comfort, and versatility. But once you move past the brochure, ownership tells a far more complicated story. These model years have been affected by multiple recalls involving safety systems, and many owners report engine stalling issues and recurring electrical faults that appear without warning. Problems like these don't just cost money. They cost time and peace of mind, especially for families who depend on their vehicle every single day. Reliability scores for the Atlas remain inconsistent and unpredictable, which makes long-term ownership feel like a gamble rather than a safe bet. And when something does go wrong, repairs are rarely quick or inexpensive, largely due to the vehicle's size, complexity, and tightly packed systems. The Atlas makes sense in theory, and it often drives well when everything works. In practice, too many owners have faced issues that simply shouldn't exist at this price point, turning what should be a stress-free family SUV into a source of constant concern. Volkswagen ID.3/ID.7, early production years. The ID.3 and ID.7 represent Volkswagen's bold push into a fully digital, electric future. And on a conceptual level, they make sense. Clean design, minimalist interiors, and advanced technology were meant to redefine the driving experience. But early production models revealed a problem that goes far beyond specs and numbers. The software simply wasn't ready. Owners have reported frequent infotainment failures, frozen screens, slow system responses, and updates that either take months to arrive or introduce new issues instead of fixing old ones. Driving assistance systems, while not outright dangerous, can behave unpredictably, with warning messages appearing for no clear reason or features temporarily disabling themselves. None of this usually leaves you stranded, but it slowly erodes trust day after day. These cars demand patience, and for many drivers, that constant digital friction turns daily driving into a negotiation with technology rather than an enjoyable experience. For early adopters, this might be acceptable, but for most buyers in 2026, it simply isn't. Volkswagen Passat, older TDI and post-Dieselgate versions. The Volkswagen Passat has long been seen as a safe, sensible choice, especially in diesel form. Comfortable, spacious, and built for long distances, it earned its reputation over decades of dependable service. But older TDI versions, particularly those produced around and after the Dieselgate era, come with baggage that can't be ignored. Emissions-related systems like EGR valves, particulate filters, and associated sensors have proven to be complex and failure-prone, especially as mileage increases. These are not small inconveniences, and when something goes wrong, repair bills can climb quickly, particularly outside warranty coverage. Add in the overall complexity of modern diesel systems, and long-term ownership can become far more demanding and expensive than many buyers expect. The Passat still drives well and feels solid on the road, but for buyers looking at used examples, the risk of high maintenance costs and recurring emissions-related headaches makes it a far less attractive proposition today than it once was. Volkswagen Golf, with DSG and older fuel systems. The Volkswagen Golf is often seen as the safe choice, a car that feels familiar, solid, and well-engineered. And in many versions, it absolutely is. But certain Golf models with older DSG transmissions and earlier fuel systems deserve real caution. Some versions have been affected by fuel system recalls, including issues that can lead to leaks or improper fuel delivery. On top of that, specific DSG units, especially early dry clutch setups, have a history of long-term reliability concerns. Problems range from rough shifts and hesitation at low speeds to costly mechatronic failures as mileage increases. These issues rarely show up early, which is what makes them dangerous for used buyers. The car can feel perfect during a test drive, only to reveal expensive weaknesses later on. The Golf itself isn't the problem, but the combination of certain engines, transmissions, and production years is, and that's where many owners have been caught off guard. Volkswagen Arteon. The Arteon is one of the most beautiful cars Volkswagen has ever built, with sleek lines, a premium interior, and a driving experience that feels closer to Audi than to traditional VW. But beauty doesn't always equal a smart purchase. The Arteon isn't known for catastrophic mechanical failures, yet it struggles badly where long-term ownership really matters: resale value. Depreciation hits hard and fast, often far more than buyers expect. On top of that, the Arteon's tech-heavy construction means higher maintenance and repair costs over time. Advanced infotainment systems, digital dashboards, driver assistance tech, and complex electronics all add layers of potential expense once warranties expire. It's a car that feels special when new, but financially punishing when you look at long-term value. For leasing, that might be acceptable. For ownership, it can quietly become one of the most expensive Volkswagens to keep. Volkswagen Touareg, older V6 TDI models. The Volkswagen Touareg has always carried an image of strength, refinement, and long-distance comfort, and when everything works, it delivers exactly that. But older V6 TDI versions, especially pre-2020 models, come with serious risks. Emissions-related components like EGR systems and exhaust after treatment are known to fail as mileage increases, leading to repairs that are anything but cheap. Turbo-related issues have also been reported, and when combined with the optional air suspension, maintenance costs can escalate rapidly. Air suspension failures alone can turn into multi-thousand-dollar repairs overnight. This is a vehicle that feels premium to drive, but can become brutally expensive to keep once it's out of warranty. For buyers looking at used luxury SUVs, the Touareg can look tempting, but long-term ownership often tells a much harsher story. Now that was the warning. Because not every Volkswagen is a bad idea. Some of them still deliver what the brand promises. So let's switch gears and look at the Volkswagens that are actually worth buying in 2026. Volkswagen Golf MK8, post-2021 builds. The Mark 8 Golf marks a turning point for Volkswagen, a moment where years of feedback, criticism, and refinement finally come together. This is a Golf that feels grown up, confident, and properly finished. Compared to earlier versions, especially the first years of the MK8, post-2021 builds benefit from improved software stability, better interior assembly, and more consistent quality control. Reliability has noticeably improved in newer production years, especially with the most common petrol and mild hybrid engines. Behind the wheel, the Golf still delivers what made it an icon in the first place: a balanced chassis, predictable handling, and comfort that works just as well in the city as on long highway drives. Driving feel remains one of the strongest in the segment, without sacrificing efficiency or ease of use. Add to that strong resale value and wide availability of parts and service, and you get a compact car that makes sense not just emotionally, but financially too. This is a Volkswagen that rewards long-term ownership, not just the first impression. Volkswagen Tiguan. The Tiguan is proof that not every good car needs to shout to be noticed. It's one of the most quietly reliable SUVs in the Volkswagen lineup. Instead of chasing trends or overloading the car with experimental technology, Volkswagen focused on balance, usability, and consistency. The driving experience is smooth and predictable, with suspension tuning that favors comfort without feeling disconnected. Owners consistently report fewer serious issues compared to larger or more complex VW SUVs. The Tiguan benefits from well-tested powertrains, sensible technology integration, and a layout designed around daily life rather than showroom appeal. Interior quality feels solid, controls are intuitive, and long trips remain stress-free even after years of use. This is a family SUV built to age gracefully, not one that feels outdated or problematic after a short ownership cycle. When it comes to practicality, reliability, and long-term peace of mind, the Tiguan is one of the safest Volkswagen choices you can make in 2026. Volkswagen T-Cross. The T-Cross might be small, but its reputation is anything but. This is one of the most dependable compact SUVs Volkswagen currently sells. By keeping the formula simple, proven engines, straightforward electronics, and sensible design choices, Volkswagen avoided many of the pitfalls seen in larger or more tech-heavy models. In real-world ownership, drivers report very few serious mechanical or electronic problems, even after several years of daily use. Reliability scores in everyday driving are consistently strong, especially when compared to rivals in the same segment. The T-Cross is easy to maneuver, efficient to run, and surprisingly practical for its size, making it ideal for urban life without feeling compromised. Low running costs and minimal surprises are part of its appeal, and that's something many buyers underestimate until they've lived with the car. If you want a Volkswagen that simply does its job every day, without drama, the T-Cross delivers exactly that. Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta is one of those cars that rarely makes headlines, and that's exactly why it deserves attention. It's one of the most reliable and low-stress Volkswagens you can own. The formula is simple and proven: solid engines, smooth transmissions, and technology that works without constantly demanding your attention. Fuel economy is consistently good, especially on long trips, making the Jetta an excellent choice for daily commuting and high-mileage drivers. Ownership costs remain low compared to many other models in the VW lineup, both in terms of maintenance and long-term repairs. With proper care, these cars are known to last well beyond expectations. This is a Volkswagen built for longevity, not for hype. It may not be flashy, but it delivers exactly what most drivers actually need, and that's reliability, comfort, and peace of mind year after year. Volkswagen Touareg, post-2021 gasoline models. The modern Touareg shows what happens when Volkswagen gets luxury and engineering right. Post-2021 gasoline models are far more refined, composed, and reliable than older diesel versions. The petrol V6 engines avoid many of the emissions-related headaches that plagued earlier diesels, making ownership far less stressful in the long run. Inside, the Touareg feels genuinely premium, with high-quality materials, excellent sound insulation, and technology that enhances the experience instead of complicating it. This is a luxury SUV that feels solid and confidence-inspiring at any speed. On the road, it balances comfort and control beautifully, making it just as capable on long highway drives as it is around town. For buyers looking for a premium Volkswagen without constant reliability concerns, the newer Touareg stands out as one of the strongest choices in the brand's lineup today. So that's the full picture. Some Volkswagens will cost you time, money, and patience, while others will quietly do their job for years without drama. The difference isn't the badge on the hood, it's the version, the year, and the choices made behind the scenes. If this video helped you make a smarter decision, leave a like and subscribe to Das Auto Diaries, because here we focus on real ownership, not marketing promises. And if you want to go further, check out our other videos on which cars to avoid and which ones are truly worth buying. We'll see you in the next one.